Art Club is student-driven and very much open to all who want to join and make art.
Students either use club meeting time to work independently on their own art projects with as much or as little assistance from the art instructors as they want.
Or students work together on collaborative projects such as this giant drawing mural. Collaborative projects are completely driven by students. They come up with their own ideas and seek our help with execution, but largely they do this work together on their own. Some group projects are just for the fun of it, but others are for community building, such as making unique holiday cards for people in nursing homes.
So do come join the club. It's a lot of fun making art with your friends, and it's a great opportunity to develop your own art project, especially when you're not able to take an art class in a given semester.
And if you have any questions, please contact us at our email addresses, sstall@hillmurray.org and lhunkins@hillmurray.org.